Hello and welcome to the concept what is word formation. Word formation. Word formation is the creation of a new word. It is the study of how words are formed. Word formation is a means of deriving, generating linguistic units to invent a new word or to construct a new linguistic concept. Word formation. Word formation is an important means of supplementing or enhancing vocabulary. It helps in forming specialized terms. Word formation is the branch of linguistics that examines derived words in terms of their origin and functioning, their productivity, and their use in different styles of speech. Word formation. Word formation has traditionally been considered a branch of lexicology. Lexicology refers to the study of the form, meaning, and behavior of words. Word formation is also considered a branch of morphology, as morphemes help in forming new words. In this way, word formation is also known as derivational morphology. Word formation. There are different types of word formation processes. They are as follow: coinage, borrowing, compounding, blending, clipping, back formation, conversion, acronyms, derivation. Note: we will take up each one of the types word formation processes one by one in our coming lectures. Hope you understand the lesson. Thank you and goodbye.